Hey there, math adventurers! Today, we're going to learn something super cool, how to find the area of a circle. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. A circle is a round shape with no corners. It has a radius, which is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge, and a diameter, which goes all the way across the middle. To find the area of a circle, we use a special formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. Pi is a number that's about 3.14. Let's see how it works. Let's try an example. If the radius of the circle is 5 units, we can plug that into our formula. It will look like this. Area equals pi times 5 squared. First, we need to square the radius. That means multiplying the radius by itself. 5 times 5 equals 25. Next, we multiply 25 by pi, which is about 3.14. So 25 times 3.14 gives us 78.5. That means the area of our circle is about 78.5 square units. Let's review. To find the area of a circle, just remember the formula pi times r squared. Square the radius, multiply by pi, and you've got the area. Easy and fun. Great job learning the area of a circle today. Keep solving, and we'll see you next time for more fun with math.